Hello everyone, hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do my personal Dua Lipa makeup. So let's get started. I'm applying moisturizing spray right after the skincare and doing my magic with Medicube H Air Booster Pro to get rid of any puffiness. Shaping the eye with a really soft pencil to create the base. Then I'm gonna apply some shadows on top. At this point I'm blending, reapplying, then blending, using smaller brushes to be more precise, especially in the outer part of the eye. Then I'm gonna set the edges with the light shade of the eyeshadow, just softly. Then I'm gonna apply the darker shade just to blend the edges a little bit. Blending, blending, blending. I use smaller brushes just to be more precise. Then I'm using the purple eyeshadow to set the makeup, especially to have more dimension on the outer part of the eye. Then I'm just applying really cool highlighter. This is a duochrome highlighter in the center of the lid, applying a gel liner and then immediately blending with a shadow. Then I want to frame a little bit the eyes with the brows, just soft touch, adding a little bit of length because we have quite a wide makeup, so we need to match brows and eyes. Then I'm setting the brows. Then I'm applying illuminating gel primer as a base to have a glowing skin. I'm using quite a lightweight foundation. You can actually use this gel on top. You can mix it with foundation. I do it this way. I'm applying the darker shade foundation because the face not matching the body, so you're gonna see it a little bit later. Then I'm contouring. Really nice product. These side products, I love them. Blending nicely, evenly. Then I'm gonna set the makeup with a hyaluronic powder. This is from by Therese. Really love this one. Then I want to add a little bit more dimension to the cheeks, applying the sculpting powder. If you make a mistake, you can always blend it. I'm gonna fix mine a little bit later with the same foundation brush, just with the leftovers. Then I'm topping the face with the bronzer, but actually this is a powder in a darker shade. I want to get a little bit sun-kissed look. I like to mix the cool tones, warm tones, so right now I'm using cool toned blush, applying a little bit higher just to get a more lifted look, and applying lip liner. Really like this shade, and topping the lip. That's the final look. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment. Love you. Bye.